Hey guys, my name is Charlene Cruz. Welcome to my website, Bobandcrews.com. I made this website because in the last 6 months I've got into fostering animals, and I was raised on a farm and I have my own house now, and so I have a lot of pets myself. So I have an Instagram for my pets, but I thought I should take it a step further and do the website, and so that's what I've done. So this is a website dedicated to the meanderings of my own pets, but as well as my foster animals. And I will continue posting about my fosters and about the rescue that I work with to foster the animals. So this is my first page. You can see up here I have my logo, Bobandcrews, with the little subtitle there, Love and Rescue. So Bob is my cat. He was the only cat we were going to have, and then I got another cat. But my last name is Cruz, and so it kind of made sense to do Bob and Cruz because it's like Bob and his crew of other animals. Anyway, so this is my first page, just a little bit about, what you're going to see here. I've got some pictures down here of a few of my different pets. This page is an about us, so it goes into detail about who we are. There's a picture of my husband and I. We live in Oklahoma now, but we're both from the southeast. I have a contact page here for anyone that wants to drop us a line so we can get to know them better. And then as you go on, I have several different pages devoted to each one of my pets that I currently have. So Savannah, Norma, Bob, Georgia, Lulu, Kit Kat. And then I have my page over here that is devoted to just fosters. And so this is Hank. He's one of our current fosters. As I foster, I will be posting these specific fosters here so people can see who we have that's available for adoption. And then on this next page, I have the blog, and so my latest entry is how we adopted another dog. And then over here we have the store, and you can go here and shop, and I just have some pictures that I will probably take down. And yeah, that's my blog. One thing I learned was how to set up a website. Obviously, I have never done that before. I am a very hands-on person, and so this whole thing was like very challenging for me, but as I delved into it further in the last couple weeks, I've actually started to have fun. I would say that the hardest thing for me to learn was the Divi builder, just how to customize it and make my site what I want it to be. So yeah, thank you for watching this, and check us out at bobandcrews.com. Thank you.